Good morning to all. Sit in Sukhasana. Hands resting on the knees in Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Start prayer. Om. Om. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamasho Ma Jyotirgamaya Mruchyorma Amritangamaya Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Santihi Harihi Om Tat Sat Om Namaha.
Dear viewers, welcome back to our session. In this session, we are going to see symptoms of heart diseases. Okay, right. Heart disease symptoms depend on what type of heart disease you have. Symptoms of heart disease in your blood vessels, that is atherosclerotic disease. Cardiovascular disease symptoms may be different from men and women. For instance, men are more likely to have chest pain. Women are more likely to have other symptoms along with chest discomfort, such as shortness of breath, nausea, and extreme fatigue. Symptoms can be included chest pain, chest tightness, chest pressure, and chest discomfort, angina, shortness of breath, pain, numbness, weakness, or coldness in your legs or arms. If the blood vessels in those parts of your body are narrowed, this happens. Pain in the neck, jaw, or throat, upper abdomen, or back. These are the symptoms that includes heart disease. You might not be diagnosed with cardiovascular disease until you have a heart attack, angina, stroke, or heart failure. It's important to watch for cardiovascular symptoms and discuss concerns with your doctor. Cardiovascular disease can sometimes be found early with regular evaluations. Heart disease symptoms caused by abnormal heartbeats, that is, heart arrhythmias. The heart arrhythmia is abnormal heartbeat. Your heart may beat too quickly or too slowly or irregularly. Heart arrhythmia symptoms can include the following: fluttering in your chest, racing heartbeat, slow heartbeat, chest pain or discomfort, shortness of breath, and light headedness and dizziness. Heart disease symptoms are caused by heart defects. Serious congenital heart defects, defects you are born with, usually become evident soon after birth. Heart defect symptoms in children could include pale gray or blue skin color, swelling in the legs, abdomen, or areas around eyes. In an infant, shortness of breath during feedings, leading to the poor weight gain. Less serious congenital heart defects are often not diagnosed until later in childhood or during adulthood. Signs and symptoms of congenital heart defects that usually aren't immediately life threatening include easily getting short of breath during exercise or activity, easily tiring during the exercise or activity, swelling in the hands and ankles. These are the symptoms that can easily found.
Sit in Vajrasan position. Place your both hands on your knees. Sit erect. Close your eyes. Exhale. Bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Inhale. Bring your head upwards, stretching backwards. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Now we move on to the next one, neck turning movement. Exhale. Turn your head to your left side. Inhale. Bring it to normal position. Exhale. Turn your head to your right side. Inhale. Bring it to normal position. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now we move on to the next one, neck sideways bending movement. Exhale, bend your head to the left side of your body. Inhale, bring it to the normal. Exhale, bend your head to the right side of your body. Inhale, bring it to the normal position. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now we switch over to the next movement. It is called neck rotation. Exhale, bring your head down, touching your chest with your chin. Rotate your head from right side to the halfway. Inhale, complete the rotation by bringing it to the normal position. Do it for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Now we do it anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start hand movements. Hand movements help us in relieving the stress in the hands and help us in strengthening hands. Now we start the first one, fingers clenching movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, close your fingers, covering your thumb. Inhale, release your fingers. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Put your hands down, relax. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. After every movement, we should breathe in, breathe out slowly for at least 2 times. The second movement, wrist bending movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Exhale, bring your palm downwards. Inhale, bring them upwards. Now we repeat them for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start wrist rotation movement. Stretch your hands to your shoulder level. Fold your fingers and rotate your wrist clockwise. Rotate them for 4 times. Now we rotate them in anti-clockwise direction. Rotate them in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start elbow bending movement. Stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale. Place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Inhale, release them. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Put your hands down. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we start shoulder rotation movement. First, stretch your hands to your shoulder level, palms facing upwards. Exhale, place your fingers to rest on your shoulders. Join your elbows. Inhale, rotate your elbow clockwise to the halfway. Exhale, bring them to normal position. We repeat this for 3 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Repeat the same in the anti-clock direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. Put your hands down slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Reduce knee pains and help strengthening muscles. Dandasana. Technique. Take a footstep gap between 2 legs. Bring your both hands to your back to support your body. This posture helps you to relax. Come to Samasthiti. Now we start toes bending movement. Join your both legs together. Exhale. Bend your toes slowly downwards. Inhale. Bend your toes slowly upwards. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Now we start ankle bending movement. Exhale, bend your feet slowly downwards, both the feet. Inhale, bend your feet slowly upwards. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Now we switch on to the next movement. It is ankle rotating movement. First, bend your feet downwards and start rotating. Bend your feet downwards and start rotating them in clockwise direction for 4 times. Rotate them in clockwise direction for 4 times. Now, upwards. Bend your feet upwards and rotate them in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Now in anti-clockwise direction for 4 times. Relax. Come to Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Samasthiti. Join your both legs together. Now let's move on to the next one, knee bending movement. Exhale, bring your right leg close to your chest. Inhale, straighten your leg without touching ground. Now we repeat this for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Now we do the same to the left leg for 3 times. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, relax. Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Samasthiti. Now we switch on to the next one, half butterfly movement. Now Bring your right leg with the help of your hands and place it on your left thigh. I repeat, bring your right leg with the help of your hands and place it on your left thigh. Now exhale. Slowly bring your right knee close to your chest. Slowly bring your right knee close to your chest. Slowly bring down your right knee touching the floor. Slowly bring down your right knee touching the floor. Repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Slowly stretch your leg out. Now do it the same to the other leg. Place it on your left thigh. Now exhale. Bring it close to your chest. Inhale. Bring it down, touching the floor. Now repeat this for 3 times. Exhale. Close to the chest. Inhale. Bring it down, touching the floor. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Slowly stretch your leg. Now slowly breathe in, breathe out. Remember, after every movement, after completion of every movement, you have to slowly breathe in and breathe out. Now we move on to butterfly movement. The next movement is butterfly movement, Dandasana. Slowly breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Come to Samasthiti. Join both legs together. Now bend the knees and bring both feet close to your pelvis with your hands. I repeat, bend the knees and bring both feet close to your pelvis with your hands. Now exhale. Bring both your knees upwards as much as you can. Inhale. Bring both your knees downwards, touching the ground. Now repeat this for 10 times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Exhale. Inhale. Relax. Now stretch out your legs slowly. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Dandasana. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Let us see the technique of this asana. Lie flat on the back on a soft blanket. Keeping the legs stretched, place both the hands by the side of the trunk. Palms touching the ground. Take a few deep breaths. Let us move on to the next one, Savasana. It is also called calf's posture. Let's see the benefits of this corpse posture. This removes the fatigue caused by the other asanas and induces calmness of the mind. It is a relaxation posture. Now let's see the technique of this savasana. Lie flat on the back like a corpse. Keep the hands a little away from the thighs with the palms up. Place the feet apart such that both the heels face inwards and toes outwards. Face the feet apart such that both the heels face inward and toes outward. Relax the body completely, part by part, with awareness of the breath and closed eyes. Be in that posture for some time and relax. And after some time, come back to Samasthiti and relax.
Now let's start Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. Nadi means subtle energy channel. Sodhan means cleaning, purification, and Pranayama means breathing technique. Nadi Sodhana or alternate nostril breathing is the most important breathing technique to help keep the mind calm, happy, and peaceful. This technique balances two of the most significant nadis or energy channels. Now let us see the benefits of this Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. Nadi Sodhana also balances the two hemispheres of the brain. It is an excellent relaxation technique, calming the mind and generally bringing balance to the whole system. It improves concentration and mental focus as it clears out blocked energy channels in the body. Now let's do the technique. First, form Pranamudra. You need to observe this very closely. Now, close right nostril with right thumb and inhale with left nostril. Now, close left nostril with right ring finger and little finger and exhale through right nostril. Now, let's do the same in an opposite way. Now, inhale through right nostril. After that, close right nostril with right thumb and exhale through left nostril. Let us repeat this process for 5 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax. Now slowly inhale and exhale. With both the nostrils, slowly inhale, exhale.
Let us move on to the next one, Bhramari Pranayama. It is also known as humming bee breath. Let us see the benefits of this posture. Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It also helps elevating anger, anxiety, and insomnia. Now, sit in a comfortable meditation asana. Close the eyes and relax the whole body for a short time. Put your index fingers in both of your ears and start listening to the humming sound within your body. The humming sound should be smooth, even, and continuous for the duration of the exhalation.
Relax.
Start Swasti prayer.
ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु। ॐ सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरि ओम तत्सत्। ओम नमः। ओम नमः।
Thank you.